In this video, I will show you how to make an announcement channel in Discord. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, I will be doing this on the Discord app, but if you prefer to use the web-based application, you can do that. The steps are the same, the buttons just might be in a slightly different place, and this is very, very easy to do. An announcements channel is kind of like Twitter, so what happens is once you've got it set up and you post in that server, anyone that's following you, they will actually receive that directly to them. So to get this set up, you can see I've got a server set up here on the left hand side, and if I actually try and create a channel, you can see I've only got the choice at the moment between text and voice. There's no actual announcement channel. So to get this, what you need to do is actually enable the community feature, which is very easy to do. What you want to do is make sure you're in the server that you want to add an announcement channel for, and then if you come up to the top left hand corner, you just want to click onto this drop down box and come down to server settings. And then from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you've got some options and you'll see there's a section here called community. So what you want to do is click onto the enable community button down here, and then just go ahead and click the blue get started button. From here, you'll see it's going to ask you to have a verified email, and what it's going to do is you want to tick this box to scan media content from all members. So this is basically so that Discord can scan for anything inappropriate that's being sent, and then once that's done, click the next button down here. So by default, when you set up a community server, it's going to add a rules or guidelines channel as well as a community updates channel. So this is by default, and you do need to have these activated. You can actually have one created for you by Discord, or what you can do is set one up yourself if you want to, but by default, it's absolutely fine to leave it as this option, create one for me. Once that's done, go ahead and click the green next button. And then there's just one last step. Basically, there's a couple of things that you can do. So you can remove moderation permissions from @everyone, and you can default notifications to mention only. These are completely optional, and this is just to create a better experience for your members. And once that's done, you want to tick this box down here to say I agree and understand. And once that's done, just click the finish setup button down here. So now we've got this all activated on the server, you'll see what's going to happen is if I come out of this screen and I come back to my server, and if I click on the plus button to create a channel, you'll see we've now got something called an announcement channel, as well as a stage channel as well. But the announcement channel is what you want, so you just want to click on that to create it. And of course, it just works like a normal channel. You can name it what you want. I'm just going to call this announcement, and you want to hit the create channel button down here. And you'll see that's now been added to the left hand side. You can see it's got a slightly different symbol. It's got this kind of megaphone symbol. Anything you now post in here is going to announce this to everyone that's following you. Even if it's someone that owns a different server, it will announce it to them as well. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did help you out, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Discord, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.